Hey everybody, welcome back to PC 911. I'm going to do a couple videos here doing a Windows 10 upgrade just to see how it goes, and hopefully it goes well, and if it doesn't, you'll see kind of like what happens. I have my home computer. I've just brought it here into the shop. It's this little guy, little i7, Windows 7 with an i5, and here I am at the desktop. Now this is a computer that, you know, it's not critical to my business or what have you, so I'm going to run Windows 10 on here. If it works, great, and if it crashes, we'll fix it. Not critical. And that's the same kind of thing I would do if I were you. I'd just put into your mind that you're flipping a coin 50-50, whether it's gonna boot up right or you're gonna have some downtime. So just get ready for that. I would do a backup. I would have an option. Make sure you don't have something important the next day that you need to do on your computer, because that's just the way it is right now. So one of the things you want to do to minimize this, I made a video the other day about removing your antivirus. So I removed a couple other things here too. If you look at your bottom right corner on your computer down here, these are your active icons. You see there's pretty much nothing there. The date and the volume and the network connection and stuff like that. So there's really nothing there. So how do you do it? Well, what I did is I just uninstalled. I had several antiviruses on here. I run Kaspersky. That's what I recommend, and that's what we install here. So I removed that completely. I also ran I had a Malwarebytes, removed that. Super Anti-Spyware, removed that. I had Dropbox there. I didn't uninstall it, but I took it out of my startup. And that's pretty much it. I didn't really have a lot of things starting up. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go here to your start button, and you type here ms config, just like that. That's going to take you to this window here. And this is for Windows 7. Windows 8 is going to be different. So if you got a Windows 8 machine, then maybe you could look up another tutorial, or I'll do one. And here on this tab, you want to go to Startup. You want to take a look at how many things are here in the startup. You want to have this minimized. You can actually erase them. You could remove them all. What I would do, if you really don't know a lot of what you're doing here, is take a picture or a video like this, remove them all, run your update, and then go back and put them. But some of these things are, really, they're they're Intel processes, a Google update, a Dropbox update. I had a Dropbox down here actually starting, and then I removed it. I don't see it there. Well, it's kind of hard to look through here and then see there. But basically, all these other things, not all of them were running. But I did remove some of the stuff there. So it's basically what we're doing is having the computer, start up and install Windows 10 with the least amount of things, running that could potentially create, a problem, a roadblock, and wind up having your computer, stuck or not booting. So here we go. This is going to be it, and I'm not gonna, I'm gonna cut pieces here and maybe make a couple parts. I don't know, frankly, how long it's going to take. But here we go, and I'll come back and let you know how it's going. See you soon. Hey everybody, welcome back. Here's the second part of the Windows 10 upgrade that I did. Everything went actually smooth. I had no hiccups. I haven't run some of my software and stuff like that, so this is just saying that the whole process went through. Again, remember, we cleaned up everything in the startup, to avoid any headaches. Actually, something got added there already. That's OneDrive. So when you do the upgrade, you're gonna get OneDrive installed no matter what. So yeah, everything went pretty smooth. One thing I wanted to mention: the download took a while. Like an hour and a half. Frankly, I don't have a high speed here. And then the installation, I just left it installing last night and just walked in here in the morning. I do have a lot of programs, a lot of stuff, so that's probably why it took so long. So it worked out. I'll keep you posted if any other glitches as I start using programs and things like that. I'm sure there's going to be some programs that might have some incompatibility, but overall, thumbs up for Windows 10 on this upgrade from Windows 7. Thanks for watching.